Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to solve a frequently asked SQL interview question for the data analyst role. Okay, that is cricket tournament and its points table. Okay, so many of you have come across this type of questions in your previous interviews. If not, you will get this type of questions in your future. So here is the input table, which is ICC World Cup. Okay, so here is the table, like team 1 versus team 2 and winner of that match. Okay, this is what they have given, and there are like cases where the match is drawn. Okay, so these are two draw matches. Okay, so what they're expecting as an output, write a query to get the total matches played by each team. Okay, and the number of wins, number of losses by that team, and the total draw matches of that team, and the matches remaining for the team. Okay, given that each team plays 3 matches. Okay, and the points of each team and their okay. Let me show you what they're expecting. So this is the points table. If you have seen this, okay. So they're expecting all these columns with the points table, and also order by top points. Okay, the team having the highest point should come at the top, and the one having the lowest point should come at the bottom. So this is what they're expecting. Let's start writing the query. Before that, I'll let you know, like there are two concepts that we are going to use on solving this like problem. One is union or, okay, and CT. Okay, these two are mainly used for solving this type of questions when there are two teams. How I am going to solve this? Let's start writing the query. Right? Then you will get it. Okay. Select. Okay. Team 1. Okay. So now I want to get the, if this is team 1 is the winner or not. Okay. So team 1, I'm trying to write a case statement here. Case when team 1 equal to winner. Okay. If there is a team 1 is the winner, then I'll call 1, else 0. Okay, so end as winner or the like it is a win, correct? So what is the case statement for like loss? How I can say, if team 1 is not in the winner, is not a winner, and is not a and this winner column is not with the draw. Okay, what I'm trying to say is case when team 1 is not a winner, is not in winner, and winner column is not having draw, correct? So since I know the value, I can write here. Then I am setting it as 1 or else 0. Okay, and this as loss, correct? So this will give the loss, like count of loss, or you can say this is the loss match for India. Okay, and case when winner is loss, winner column is having draw, then this is a draw match, right? Then I am trying to get the draw column here as 0 and as draw. Okay, so this will give me the information about this team 1 data, correct? So India, Sri Lanka, SA. So I see. I'm still yet to get yet to fetch the data like information about team 2. Now I'm just focusing only on team 1. Okay. So end as the from which table? ICC World Cup table. Okay. So let me execute this. What we will get? What I'm trying to get here. Okay. So there were 6, 8 or how many matches? Okay, see there are 8 matches, right? So what I got from this query here is there are 8 matches. I'm getting for India. If there is a win, I'm getting as win. There is no loss. There is no for each match. I'm getting the information. I'm fetching out the information. Correct. So this is about team one. Okay. Same way, I need to get for the team two. Correct. So that I'm unioning, like I'm just I'll try to get information about team two now, and then I'll try to show you. So team two also it is the same case. I'm comparing that against the winner column and getting to know like if it is a win or loss for that particular team. Okay. So this is about team two information. What we'll get? Okay. So this is the information we got. Like for Sri Lanka, in the first match, India versus Sri Lanka, India won, right? So for this Sri Lanka, it is a loss, correct? For win 0, for draw 0. So these two data, like these two like outputs, I need to combine that. Combine in the sense I need to have the sum of information about of this output, right? Correct. So this is the information I got for now. Okay, for to get the aggregated data. How I can get now what I've got? I've got all the each team, each match information. Correct. So each team, each match information I have got. If it is a win, it is win. If it is a loss, it's 0. So something like that. Now what I want, what they're expecting. Now we need to get the total matches played by each team. Correct. I have to group by each team and get the count of this team. Like that will give us how many matches they have played. That each team played. Correct. Okay. So I'll put this in CT with CT as okay. So what I want, one is select team one. So since if you know the set operator concept, it will take this column names itself. So now what I want, I'll just replace that with team name. Okay, likewise team name, right? So in the let's getting in the city, it is a team name, correct? So now I want to aggregate of like aggregate in the sense the count of team names. Count of that team name will give us the total number of matches played by that team, correct? Okay, before that I'll just get let you see what I am trying to do here. Select okay count from city. Let's execute this and see if we are getting the correct like output or not. New Zealand, it may have played 2 matches. Okay, let me give an analysis as matches played. Okay, so let's see. Let's compare that with the output. New Zealand matches played 2 and New Sri Lanka matches played 2 and remaining all are 3. Correct. New Zealand 2 and Sri Lanka 2. So we are in a right track. Correct. So we need to get the other information. Okay, how I'll get? So that is why I'll put these case statements here. How I can get here is okay. Now we got matches played. Now we now we want number of wins. How we can say number of wins? If the sum of that like wins. Okay, we need to get the sum of wins. So since for win we have 1 else 0, right? So we need to sum it up, not the count. Sum of wins win will give us the number of wins. Correct. Like New Zealand one matches, Australia 1 match. Correct. Let me see. New Zealand one match and Australia one match. Correct. So we are on a right track. So we can give the meaningful like alias here as number of wins. Okay, now number of losses we want, sum of that loss will give us the number of losses. Yes, number of losses. Okay, again here what else we want? We want total draw matches. That is sum of draw will give us that as total draw matches for that team. Okay, and what else we want? Points table. Before that, what also they want is matches remaining for that team, given that each team plays 3 matches. Correct. So given that there are total 3 matches by each team, we can say 3 minus count of that team name will give us 3 matches remaining for the remaining matches. Okay, so now comes the 50 point. So about the points table, how we can say, how we can like set the points here? For every win, it will be like for every win they will give 2 points, and for a draw match, they will give only 1 point. Correct. So how we can say 2 into sum of these wins will give us the like points per win match. Okay, and plus 1 into sum of that draw. Correct. So this will give us the points for that team. Let's execute this and see. Okay. So this is the output, guys. So you okay. And the last point to consider here is order by top points. That means to say the team with highest points should come at the top. Correct. Group by team name and order by. You can give the order like column number, like team 1, like team M1. This is 1. Second, third column, fourth column, fifth, sixth, and seventh. Okay, so order by 7th column as descending, right? By default, it will give ascending, but you need to set it descending. Okay, so if you look, compare that with the output, what they're expecting, 543310, 543310. Okay, so this is how I wrote it, guys. And if you have like a different approach or different like simple way of writing this query, you can do so, and you can comment that out in the comment section. Okay.